Year after year, hailstorms ravage the hail belt of the U.S. and wreak havoc on non-durable roofs. In an average year, hail causes more than $1.6 billion worth of damage to residential roofs in the United States, making it one of the most costly natural disasters. There is a concrete solution, however, and the testing in this video will demonstrate the durability of concrete roof tile during simulated hail activity. The filming of this hail testing took place at Architectural Testing's laboratory in Dallas, Texas, under the test protocol for Factory Mutual 4473. The FM 4473 test standard provides a procedure for determining the impact resistance performance of roofing materials, which are intended for use primarily on steep slope roof systems. The successful certification of the product requires the manufacturer to reference the Architectural Testing Roof Covering Impact Certification Program and Hail Impact Resistance classification on its product and packaging. The test uses the impact forces of freezer ice balls propelled to develop free-fall kinetic energies of the same size hail. Ice balls are used in this test method to simulate hailstones and are variable in properties such as shape, density, and frangibility. Ice balls generally are harder and denser than hailstones. Therefore, an ice ball simulates the worst-case hailstone. Ice balls are made in a urethane mold, stored in a freezer at -7 degrees Fahrenheit for 48 hours prior to testing, and weighed prior to loading in the cannon. The ice balls must impact the target within 60 seconds from being removed from the freezer. Concrete tile, asphalt shingle, and metal were mounted on a 3x3-foot test panel simulating actual field applications using plywood decking. Each product is mounted at 15 degrees from the vertical, and the cannon is inclined 75 degrees from the vertical to give a 90-degree impact angle. Each test uses the same procedure. A laser sight marks the impact location. A fiber optic sensor in the barrel measures the speed of each shot. Ice balls must impact twice within 1/2 inch of each other, and each product specimen gets 4 to 6 impacts depending on the amount of exposed area. The test procedure was captured using a professional Photron camera shooting at 5,400 frames per second. The shutter speed was 1/17,000th. Resolution 1024 by 1024. This type of camera was required to capture the slow-motion impact of the ice ball impacting all 3 roofing materials. Molds of distilled water, ice balls, are shot by a launcher, which is a device capable of propelling ice balls at speeds up to 150 feet per second. In the Class 4 hail test, the 2-inch ice balls are being shot at 104 feet per second, which is the speed necessary to develop the intended kinetic energy. The Class 4 hail test is the most rigorous test using the largest ice balls. Impact locations included edges, corners, unsupported areas, overlaps, and joints. After impact testing, the 3 roofing materials were visually scrutinized and, to pass, the test specimens could not show any evidence of visible cracking or breakage. In this video segment, the Boral Roofing flat tile products passed the rigorous testing and carry the FM 4473 approval and certification from the Architectural Testing Roof Covering Impact Certification Program. However, the other materials tested pursuant to this testing protocol did not fare as well. With the cost of hail damage reaching all-time highs, Boral Roofing's Class 4 hail-rated Storm Series concrete roof tile is awarded the highest hail performance certification recognized in the industry. With this performance recognition, homeowners may be able to qualify for insurance reductions by improving their roof safety and impact resistance. Boral Roofing, better protection from the elements when severe weather strikes.